exactly does the income that value stocks can generate help in situations where inflation is high?
Okay, so these are all kind of similar. I kind of, like I said before, the dividend getting paid out, that's going to show you that a company's got cash on hand. They can typically weather the storm a little bit better. So it's not going to mean that if the market's going down, they're not going down. But let's say we'll take last year as an example. Like I said before, maybe a little bit off a percent or two, but growth was down about 30% in 2022, and value was down about 7 or 8%. So again, they were both down, but down by much less because, again, not 100% equal to the cash on hand, but because they had cash on hand, they were able to weather the storm better. And the perception of people seeing that moved more from growth towards value, because everybody's going to, a lot of times people are going back and forth between these as well. So, but we focus on that long-term strategy instead. So you got that aspect of it. And then also, if you look at it from a personal standpoint, if you're getting paid a dividend, let's look at maybe ExxonMobil for an example. When that thing during the pandemic was dropping down to the 50s, 40s, even to the high 30s, that dividend didn't change. So the dividend yield went sky high. I think it went up to 8 or 9% at some point. But so people were still getting that check coming in. So it allowed them to necessarily not jump ship and sell that company. And they were able to enjoy the rebound that's happened since, up over $100 a share now at this point. But that same dividend, that same cash has been coming in each time. So a lot of times that personally, if you're getting a dividend, you're collecting it, it allows you a little bit more safety, and it allows you to avoid knee-jerk reactions. That's the biggest issue we see is people are doing things on their own and the market swings one way or the other. They get in or they get out. And you can try and chase value and growth all day long. You can try and chase mutual fund managers, but a lot of times we'll see the steady, slow and steady wins the race on this as well.